What is happening, beautiful people? It's your boy Reminisce, and I am back with another video. Today we're going to go through a song that I produced for a very good friend of mine, Dollaz. I'll leave a link in the description for all of his music and this song as well. The homie messaged me one day and he said, listen bro, I want to work on a hip-hop Arab record and I want the influence to be Timex Social Club Rumors. I said, not a problem. So I listened to that song a few times and I said, yeah, I got this. So I produced this beat for him. He put his lyrics on. I mixed it, mastered it, and now the song is out. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for his music and for this song in particular. So let's go through this. I'm going to play a little snippet of it. If you want to hear the full song, like I already said, I'm going to leave a link in the description.
Hey, DJ Reminisce, pass me that motherfucking hookah, man. Look at all these hookahs surrounding me every day. I just need some time to puff away. I need to relax my mind. Yeah, puff, yeah, you know what it is, to have a good time. Yeah, don't be late, girl, meet me at the spot. I'ma be there, 10 on the dot.
Okay, that's enough because I want you guys to actually listen to the fully mixed and mastered version. This is just the production side of it, so this is it. Okay, so let's get into the drums. The drums are pretty basic. I'm just going to play them right now. Typical. Just some samples that I had. 808 kick, clap, hi-hat. And if I go in here, I'll show you what's going on. All right, so here are some of the samples. Here's the kick, clap, hi-hat, tambourine. So okay, so being one of those records where he wanted that sort of Arab feel to it, he sent me some examples of some stuff to listen to, and I obviously don't know how to play Arab instruments, but thank God for Splice. I was able to find some samples, and I found this darbuka sample right here that I use. So this is the main sample right here. That's just beautiful percussion, right? And then I've got a roll with it too. So that carries out through the song. So with the drums and the darbuka, this is what it sounds like. All right, I like that. I really like that. And then being from the West Coast, and obviously we wanted to keep that feel to the record, I've had a couple of basses in here. In the verse, I have basically a synth bass, and when the hook drops, I got an 808. So this is the bass I played for the verses right here. And this is the 808. Hopefully you can hear this. If you don't, you got to put your headphones on, but this is the 808. So very, very heavily influenced. So this is the synth bass patch that I'm using. It's from Anna 2 Ultra Bundle. What is this patch? Mini Boogie Funk. So this is a Slate digital plugin that I found and I used. There's that. The 808 is just a sample. So if I hit this on the keyboard, that's it right there. Let's listen to all of this together. So this is the verse. And then here comes the hook. Hopefully you can hear that. Okay, I'm also a big fan of guitars and sort of those types of sounds. And then when I was looking for something for this record, I wanted another Arabic feel to it, add a bit of an element. And then I just went on Splice and did a search for Arabic guitars. And I found this sample that I really liked, which I used right here. I mean, that's just beautiful. And then I wanted something underneath, kind of layer it. So basically these two records in the mix, one will be kind of panned to the left, one will be to the right. And then I use this one underneath. And then together, what you hear is... And then again over here. Just to give it some dimension. Now if I play all of this together, this is what we get. So that's basically the main sort of melody of the record per se. So let's get into some of the music. We'll do the leads afterwards. Let's get into sort of like what I call the background music. Piano. I use piano in everything pretty much. I love the piano. It's one of my favorite instruments. And just playing some piano chords, and I'll play these ones right here. That's that. And then that is the Xenology Piano 1. I love this plugin. I use quite a few sounds off of this. And then with the piano, we've got some chords, I believe. Yeah, chords. Same idea. And again, I believe that's Xenology. Yeah, I've got see what I'm saying? So it even says it right there on the left there. That's a Xenology patch. So if we play these together with the beat. Now let's add the synth bass to that. In the beginning of the original song, Rumors, they play this piece, and that's this piece right here. And that is Analog Lab, I'm pretty sure, as the track says. And that patch is Analog Lab 4 mono synth. That one there. So when I play this with the beat, you'll know what's going on here. So this is the intro of the song. It's in the background. While the rapping is going on, I got like a melody going on at the bottom, kind of like lower in the mix. You'll hear that when you hear the final song. And it's this one right here. You can't turn it up too loud because, not going to lie, it's kind of annoying. It's a high pitch, sort of just some keys I'm playing. But this is what it sounds like. Just some strings. And then when I play that with the beat, this is what you get. See how it is in the background? Just kind of, you know, carries that feel over. So the strings, let's see. That is a patch Contact Player. Session Strings 2. And then I've got some accents here. If you listen to this guy. And I believe this is Arcade. Yep, Arcade. That's that piece right there. And then if I put this together with the bass and everything, this we get. And then let's get into the leads now. Okay, so there's a couple things going on here. There's this little guy right here, which I'll play. Just comes in every so often. All right, so this lead, let's see what patch this is. All right, this is Pigments, and it's that organ. That's the patch I'm using for one of the leads. And the main lead, when the hook comes in, is this playing behind it, which is iconic. I just replayed it and changed it up a bit right here. That little bit there. Kind of gave it more of a Arabic feel. that main lead that's in the hook, that is also from Pigments. There you go, analog triple VCO. All right, so if you play everything together now. And then here's the hook. And there you guys have it, man. This is how I produced Hookahs for my good friend Rob Dollaz. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll definitely create more content like this for you. And until next time, folks, I'm Boy Reminisce. Peace out.